AI is getting better at designing UI every day, but can it actually compete with a developer? In this video, I asked AI to generate a card design using React and Tailwind CSS, and then I will build my own version. At the end, you decide which design wins. Before we start, I have already created a React project with Vite and installed Tailwind CSS to style our component. Okay, then let's start. So I'm using ChatGPT for now, and trust me, I will give best prompt as good as possible to create a card design so that it will not look that I intentionally give ChatGPT to create a basic card design. So I will give a prompt like this. So this is the prompt that I gave to ChatGPT to create a modern card design using React and Tailwind CSS. And this is the card component that ChatGPT has generated. And also it mentioned all the feature of the card like modern UI design, fully responsive, image zoom on hover. Let's quickly show how it's look on UI. So I will copy the code from here, and inside my project I already created a component folder, and inside a component folder there is a card component. So I will paste the code here. Okay, so I will remove this div because it is a wrapper that ChatGPT has used and we don't need this here. And in app component I will import card, and I will paste it here. So this is the modern card that ChatGPT has designed, and it's definitely look good. It has the zoom effect and this image scaling effect. But can we do better than this? Let's find out in the next video.